I was looking on Pinterest trying to find some ideas, and I ran across over 50 ideas to get inspiration from the fantastic creators found on Pinterest. There are some really neat ideas on this list, and I'd like to recreate one myself. Please vote for your favorite in the comments below and give a like indicating that you voted. Once I get 100 votes, I'll recreate one of the winning ideas.
Dog ate the pecan pie. Hurry up, store-bought is fine. Christmas time again. They say it's so pretty, that time in New York City. I say cold and gritty, packed in like sardines. Got a flat on the interstate. Mama warned me, don't be late. Pretty please save me a plate. Christmas time again.
Uncle Eddie's new friend Jane.
Sister's back with what's his name.
All together once again.
And once a year is plenty.
After bouncing off the wall.
Hear the cackle down the hall. Too loud to think at all. Christmas time again.
Here come the holidays, so
Save up a whole month's pay and
spend it on a one-night stay with a view of Rockefeller. Racing for the icy weather.
bake the cookies, knit the sweater. Stand in line, wait forever. Christmas time again. If December's got you down, take the time and look around. You will find there's love abound. Christmas time again. Hear the jolly jingle sound. Christmas time again.
We're not done yet, but I wanted to thank you for watching the video. And if you're getting value, please be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss another creative post. A super thanks would be really helpful but definitely not necessary. And a thumbs up would help the channel for free so I can continue making videos. I'll have another creative video you're going to love on the screen soon. Go ahead and watch that video and I'll see you there.
Snow's piled 5 feet high. Dog ate the pecan pie. Hurry up, store-bought is fine. Christmas time again. They say it's so pretty that time in New York City. I say cold and gritty, packed in like sardines. Got a flat on the interstate. Mama warned me, don't be late. Pretty please save me a plate. Christmas time.